Hey everybody, I'm Scott, this is Uncle Steve. We're with the Knowles Woolsey team, Remax Hallmark Che, and welcome to our newest listing at 112 Steele Street in the heart of the East End of Barrie.
Guys, if you're looking for a place that needs a major renovation or a fixer-upper and you're looking for an up-and-coming area, well guess what? This isn't the place for you.
That's right, keep looking because we got the AAA location with the East End. Everybody knows and loves it. In addition to that, total turnkey bungalow here. Nothing left to do but grab that toothbrush and move on in.
You got it. Let's get inside and have a closer look. Check out this absolutely stunning renovated kitchen here, folks. We've got beautiful quartz countertops, undermount sink, stainless appliances here, custom backsplash, and all kinds of natural light.
It's not just the kitchen, guys. This entire home from floor to ceiling has been completely renovated. We got over 1,300 square feet on the main floor here. It's so rare to find an East End bungalow with a big enough room to entertain in that living area with the gas fireplace or the dining room, but here we got the best of both worlds. If you've looked at bungalows in the East End, you've probably been disappointed with the closet space before, but not today.
And if you've been looking at bungalows in the East End, you've probably been disappointed with lack of ensuite baths. Well, not today. This lower level rec room here offers some terrific versatility, whether it's movie night with the kids.
What are we watching, Dad?
Or alternatively, game night with the adult kids.
You're going down the night, Dad.
I don't think so. You know, Scotty, this East End is very, very popular and there's good reason for it. It's because of gems like this Nelson Lookout. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous water views. Trees here, they gotta be 150, 200 years old.
But let's not forget about the great schools, the mature parks, the miles of walking trails. It's just endless over here.
Absolutely, and better than that, we've got two precious little restaurants just a block away from us. Burger Royale. You know what, Scotty? I got a feeling we might just head there shortly. You don't look like you've missed too many meals.
That's right. So for more information on this listing and others, check out our website.